Barbara here from Barbara Makes Crafts, and I am the creator of barbaramakescrafts.com, and I love to teach you how to do these fun, easy, quick, and sometimes even more complicated projects. And I do have a blog there where you can find step-by-step instructions to most of the crafts that I do here on YouTube. Tonight, we're going to iron heat transfer vinyl onto subway tile for a nice, beautiful sign, Valentine's Day gift, Mother's Day gift even, Christmas, whatever. These are perfect. So this is what we'll be making tonight. It says Melissa and Zach, has a simple little heart in the middle. I think it's very cute. Also, we'll be using offset to do that, so you'll learn something a little new tonight. We're going to need vinyl, and I'm going to be using red, and this cauliflower blue, periwinkle, something like that. And you're going to need a scraper tool or burnishing tool. I love this one from 143vinyl.com because it's flexible. It doesn't have edges like the sharp. Sometimes when you buy something plastic, there's a little sharp thing that'll get caught on your vinyl. This doesn't have any of that, so it won't scratch your vinyl. And it's pretty big, it's 4 inches, so it will cover more surface area. You're also going to need your stab and grab tweezers. These are from 143vinyl.com again. And guys, I tried to use the Cricut ones this week just because I couldn't find, even though I have 15 sets of these, I couldn't find them. So I tried to use my Cricut tweezers like this. And guys, let me tell you, this one is definitely a far superior product than that for getting out all your small, intricate pieces and whatnot. So that, and this is just your Cricut weeding tool. That's what it's called, Cricut weeding tool. It's my favorite because you can go in and you can pick up a piece of vinyl and start pulling it away. And get your larger pieces out of the way much easier with this. And you will also need a blank tile. This one is glass with like a white backing. I really like that. But this one is just a white subway tile, just plain white. You'll also need some kind of heat press, heat source. I'm using the mini press from Cricut. I really love this. It is so portable and easy to use on most projects. I don't like using it on the larger projects. I know some people out there do. And you will need some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol. I put mine in the spray bottle because it's just so easy to spray it on and then wipe it off. You will need a sealer, and I used Treehouse Studio clear acrylic high gloss coating for the sealer on this project tonight. And of course, you're going to need your Cricut. You will need a standard grip mat, a lint-free cloth, and I think that's it, guys. So let's go to Design Space. Okay, so here we are in Design Space. The first thing I want to do is click on a shape, and I want to get a rectangle. I want to make this rectangle the size of the tile we're working on. So I'm going to go over here to more, and I'm going to unlock this lock, make it 12 inches wide by 3 inches high. Okay, lock it back. And then I'm going to go up here and I'm going to turn it white. And now I'm going to select an image, heart. And now I want to do my text. Just going to hide this rectangle. You can see right here in the layers panel the one that's grayed out. Just click on this little eye right here and it will hide it. And now I want to select Melissa and Zach, and I want to do an offset. So I'm going to go up here to offset and just click on it a little smaller so it's not overpowering, and then apply. I'm going to do the offset and then click on apply. And then I'm going to take the offset piece and just slice. And now you can see, there we go. So now we can see the offset. We just got to get rid of, and then just get rid of these pieces here that we don't want. All right, and now we're going to save it. All right, and now we are ready to make it. So we'll head over to the Cricut and we will begin the project. When you're working with HTV, you want to put that shiny side down onto your mat. But the Cricut is now asking us to load our material. Alright, and now we need our weeding tools, and of course my favorites, the weeding tool from Cricut and the stab and grab tweezers from 143vinyl.com. Weed our other section. So we do want to prep our tile by spraying it. Well, you don't have to spray it. You can use a cotton ball or a lint-free cloth is probably better, and just put your alcohol on it. Okay, so using the taco method, we are going to line this up, and this is the taco method where you just kind of bend it in half, line it up so that we are about center, like so. And the great thing about heat transfer vinyl is it's very forgiving. So if you don't get it exactly right, you can peel it up and put it down as many times as you need to. So I'm just going to iron this on. Alright, let that cool just a second. Peel it off slowly, because if you get any places that are not transferred on, you want to be able to go back and redo them before you start pulling on it, because it will stretch the vinyl and it won't look as good. Alright, so again we're going to use the taco method, and we're lining up. The A is about right there, so that's where I want to line that up to. And already I can see that I was off. Alright, there we go. The very last step that we want to do, and you'll need to do this in a very well ventilated area. So I'm just going to pick this up like so, and I'm just using polyacrylic Treehouse Studio clear acrylic, and I'm using high gloss coating. I think that came out really well. What do y'all think? Just one pointer, one tip for you guys: never try and do this in a cold room, because your tile is cold, your vinyl is cold. The only thing warm is your iron, and trust me, it did not work out well. So what do you think? I think it turned out great. Of course, this is my daughter Melissa and her boyfriend Zach. So I think she's going to really love that when I get it to, if I ever see her again. She's away at college, but anyway, I just love it. I think it's a perfect little gift, and it's so much fun to design different things with your offset tool or without your offset tool. Just however you want to design them, it is so much fun. Okay, so I will be sure to link below all the supplies that we used tonight so that you can quickly and easily find them to use. And if you would just go ahead and like my video, if you liked it, of course. And I would love it if you would subscribe. Guys, it really helps me out a lot for you to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you're going to want to ring that little bell right there and get all the notifications of my projects as I bring them to you. And guys, it is just awesome. I appreciate you so much for all that you've done. So for now, I bid you adieu.